Welcome back to the freezing cold New York. Welcome to part 2. We're getting this thing off now.
Why is he looking at me like that?
It's off, baby! That's the whole front end of a car, baby! Let's go! What do you know about that? Let's move on.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Supra.
It feels so good to have the space back. I need to take the hood back off of this thing because unfortunately I didn't have enough time because, you know, the whole wrap thing got in the way of it. So I had to cut my one process short, which was, of course, the most crucial step, a part of doing the whole one-piece thing. But I got to take that hood back off. I got to retape it real quick, which obviously you're not even going to see. I'm just going to show you the good parts. Then I'm going to lay this thing right on top of it, and then I can start my reinforcements. Let's take this hood back off. Thank gosh, that's not heavy. Love carbon. Part 2. I'm already exhausted. If you knew what I just had to go through to get this thing done, I ran out of tape and I had to order more and I overnighted it. Guess what came in? The tape. This is now done. Now it's time to get our big piece off and get it laid up here so that I could remold. Because I waited so long, because I was doing the wrap on the car to do the step basically that I'm doing now, this I would not have had to do, or I would have, but it wouldn't have been as difficult. It's my life. So there were parts of this that did not stay as molded as they should have, like this over here, because I had it hanging up on the rack. Anyway, so what I'm gonna have to do now is, I already took my scissors, my very, very industrial, incredible scissors, and I went around and chopped all the edges off, and now what I'm gonna do is take my entire large box, if you remember this from the longboard video, but I'm gonna have to now take all this, and I'm just going to sprinkle it over all the edges and make a proper edge, and then probably just fill in some of the other stuff, like the big dents right here, without boring you enough. Let's do it. Oh my Lanta. Holy macaroni. That just took a very long time. We're looking good. We have a nice big line over here. This one was filled. This was for there was a hood gap on the hood, between the hood and the fender. You guys, you know, you've seen it before. We got all this reinforced. We got it going all the way on the inside, so that's gonna look good. Then we're gonna be able to take this thing, flip it upside down, reinforce it fully from the inside, and then we can start working on the fenders. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.